Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the phone and opening settings so changes are safe and immediate. You must back up anything critical. Once done, unlock the device and sign into the admin account. Navigate straight to System or General Management to avoid detours. You're not setting up anything new, you're locating the configuration that introduced the new settings. Make sure battery is above 20% and Wi-Fi is stable so operations complete without interruption. Now tap the relevant menu to begin. You now find the specific new setting and evaluate what it changed. Once located, tap the item and inspect linked options so you understand dependencies. This prevents unexpected side effects. Choose revert, remove, or disable depending on your OS prompts and read the confirmation text. Many systems warn about losing personalized data. If prompted, enter your PIN or password to authorize. After confirmation, wait for the system to apply changes. Do not interrupt restart process. You finish by verifying the phone behaves normally and checking affected apps. Once done, clear relevant caches and restart the device to ensure remnants are removed. This helps resolve lingering glitches. If something goes wrong, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party conflicts and make sure you can reproduce the issue before escalating. As a last resort, restore from your earlier backup or perform a factory reset. You'll only do that if revert fails and you've preserved data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.